Dear students, now we are learning 16th table. Sixteen one ja 16. 16 two ja 32. 16 3 ja 48. 16 4 ja 64. 16 5 ja 80. 16 6 ja 96. 16 7 ja 112. 16 8 ja 128. 16 9 ja 144. 16 10 ja 160. Dear students, once you read this 16th table, 16 1 ja 16. 16 2 ja 32. 16. Dear students, once you read this 16th table, 16 1 ja 16. 16 multiplied by 1 is equal to 16. 16 2 ja 32. 16 multiplied by 2 is equal to 32. 16 3 ja 48. 16 multiplied by 3 is equal to 48. 16 4 ja 64. 16 multiplied by 4 is equal to 64. 16 5 ja 80. 16 multiplied by 5 is equal to 80. 16 6 ja 96. 16 multiplied by 6 is equal to 96. 16 7 ja 112. 16 multiplied by 7 is equal to 112. 16 8 ja 128. 16 multiplied by 8 is equal to 128. 16 9 ja 144. 16 multiplied by 9 is equal to 144. 16 10 ja 160. 16 multiplied by 10 is equal to 160. Dear students, now you tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. What is 16 into 1? Write the answer here. 16 into 1 is equal to 16. 16 1 ja 16. 1 times 16 is 16. Now tell me the answer. What is 16 into 2? 16 into 2 is equal to, write the answer, 32. Write the answer here, 32. 16 2 ja 32. 16 multiplied by 2 is equal to 32. 2 times 16 is 32. Now tell me the answer. What is 16 into 3? Write the answer here. 16 into 3 is equal to 48. Write the answer here. 48. 16 3 is 48. 16 multiplied by 3 is equal to 48. 3 times 16, 48. Now tell me the answer. What is 16 into 4? 16 into 4 is equal to 64. Write the answer here. 64. 16 4 is 64. 16 multiplied by 4 is equal to 64. 4 times 16 is 64. Now tell me the answer. What is 16 into 5? Write the answer here. 16 into 5 is equal to 80. Write the answer here. 80. 16 5 is 80. 16 multiplied by 5 is equal to 80. Now tell me the answer. What is the 16 into 6? 16 into 6 is equal to 96. Write the answer here. 96. 16 6 is 96. 16 multiplied by 6 is equal to 96. 6 times 16 is 96. Now tell me the answer. What is the answer? 16 into 7 is, write the answer here. 16 into 7 is equal to 112. Write the answer here. 16 into 7 is equal to 112. 16 7 is 112. 16 multiplied by 7 is equal to 112. 6 times 7 times 16 is 112. Now tell me the answer. What is 16 into 8? Write the answer here. 16 into 8 is equal to 128. Write the answer here. 128. 16 8 is 128. 16 multiplied by 8 is equal to 128. 8 times 16 is 128. Now tell me the answer. What is 16 into 9? Write the answer here. 16 into 9 is equal to 144. Write the answer here. 144. 16 9 is 144. 16 multiplied by 9 is equal to 144. 9 times 16 is 144. Now tell me the answer. What is the answer? 16 into 10. 16 into 10 is equal to 160. Write the answer here. 160. 16 10 is 160. 16 multiplied by 10 is equal to 160. 10 times 16 is 160. Dear students, once you practice 16th table, 16 into 1 is equal to 16. 16 1 ja 16. 16 into 2 is equal to 32. 16 2 ja 32. 16 into 3 is equal to 48. 16 3 is 48. 16 into 4 is equal to 64. 16 4 is 64. 16 into 5 is equal to 96. 16 5 is 96. 16 into 6 is equal to 96. 16 6 is 96. 16 into 7 is equal to 112. 16 7 ja 112. 16 into 8 is equal to 128. 16 8 ja 128. 16 into 9 is equal to 144. 69 ja 144. 16 into 10 is equal to 160. 16 10 ja 160. Once you read this table, 16 1 ja 16. 16 2 ja 32. 16 3 ja 48. 16 4 ja 64. 16 5 ja 80. 16 6 ja 96. 16 7 ja 112. 16 8 ja 128. 16 9 ja 144. 16 10 ja 160.